Hello, this is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Service Management Leadership. This YouTube channel is dedicated to leadership topics of all varieties. And so I encourage you to look around at some of our other videos and provide feedback. Today's topic is on DevOps. And how do we test in DevOps? I know that DevOps methodology is a little bit different than the ITSM, ITIL world, but I'm trying to educate and inform and just trying to help people have more exposure to DevOps. So how do we test in DevOps? Number one, we have continuous testing. This is the execution of tests repeatedly against the code base in the deployment environment. In practice, this is probably the most difficult thing just because how do we set up those tests? How do we test against a continual delivery pipeline to keep it up to date? And so this continuous testing provides quality gates throughout the pipeline and increases the confidence in the code long before it goes to production. Second of all, automation is the key. That's the part of the continuous. So the automated unit, integration, coded user interface, and load tests are all common with continuous testing, but they're all automated. This testing is automated and runs over and over and over just so we can get the right outcomes. And we know how to address whatever issues pop up. And so we want to use an iterative and incremental approaches. Both of them, if we think about it, iterative is spent, incremental is inch by inch by inch. We want to use both of these in a DevOps environment. This will help the depth of testing as it progresses, but it also helps us make sure that we get a great product. And so there are two types. We have beta testing and progressive exposure. You're familiar with beta testing, I'm sure. And beta testing is a form of external user acceptance testing where a beta version of an application is released and tested. A progressive exposure is switching small numbers of users over to a new version of software for feedback and then progressively exposing this to a larger audience pool. And so in DevOps, the whole key is the automated tests that we continually test over and over and over. We're seeking feedback on everything that's not a great outcome so we can fix in our code and then test again over and over and over. This is Jeffrey T. Fertiller. Thank you for viewing this video and on our channel. We ask that you like or share the video, subscribe to our channel, leave us feedback below, connect with me on LinkedIn. We'd love to connect with you, hear what you have to say about this video or any other. And I hope you have a great day.